Hello everyone. Welcome to today's class on Basics of Voice Analytics. My name is Nikita PN and I am a computer science engineering student at BIT College, Davangere, Karnataka. Today I would like to discuss few basic concepts on voice analytics. Let's see what's meant by voice analytics. Voice analytics are the use of a voice recognition tool to analyze and record a spoken conversation. These are the topics which we try to cover in this session. Voice analytics is an exciting and rapidly growing area in business today, which we all of us know. Voice analytics can also identify speaker emotion and intent by analyzing audio patterns. This software was first leveraged for commercial purposes in the enterprise in the early 2000s. Since then, it has grown in importance with more and more companies investing in voice analytics technology. Here we have industry experts on market analysis, where we can see that company is having more percent rather than by region and by designation. Why do we need voice analytics? For just about every industry, voice data is becoming an increasingly valuable asset. Voice data has become a resource for companies to discover game-changing insights and use them for growth and expansion. We can also predict customer sentiment and behavior. These analytics can predict customer sentiment and behavior through phone calls, detect the quality of conversations, and gather deeper insights into customer needs and problems. Underperforming agents. Quickly see who are underperforming agents on your customer service team and figure out how to fix the issues. Competitive intelligence. You can identify competitive intelligence in conversation data with new and at-risk customer who may ask for features provided by your competitors. Here are a few benefits of voice analytics. 100% of voice calls are recorded and speech-to-text transcription takes place, where they get analyzed 100%. And it is done through natural language processing. Later, deep learning uncovers rich insights. Finally, the results can be shown using graphs, charts, and etc. Voice of customer. Voice of customer is a term which is used in business and information technology to describe the in-depth process of capturing customers' expectations, preferences, and aversions. Effective listening to voice of customer include being concerned, installing effective feedback tools, understanding your customers and their complaints, empowering customer concern employees, overall monitoring of customers' behavior, getting involved personally. The first one is being concerned. Yes, the word itself tells that it should be concerned about every reviews from the customer because even a single negative review can offset 12 positive reviews, which in turn puts a high pressure on management and support staff to be actively involved with each and every customer so that no customer leaves the session. The next one is installing effective feedback tools. An effective listening to voice of customer would work only when effective tools to collect feedback are in place. For this, there are few things that any feedback collection mechanism must provide. That is, ability to capture a large amount of data and ability to manage all the collected data. Understanding your customers and their complaints. Customer complaints become feasible only when we get to know what exactly the issue is and from where the grievance has arisen from. Empowering customer and concerned employees. With the installation of a sound feedback collection system, it can be ensured that all customer grievances are handled in a timely and accurate fashion. An effective feedback collection tool should therefore provide a means for assigning tasks to staff members, particularly customer-centric staff. The next is overall monitoring of customers' behavior. This is obviously extracted from the feedback system where the customer rate business on several parameters. These parameters include pricing, service quality, attitude of staff while interacting with the customers, to name a few. An important thing is to note that these preferences may change over time and vary across customer segments. The next one is getting involved personally. Establishing a personal connection with the customer is becoming a very important aspect of service oriented business today. Therefore, assigning customer complaints to staff members may no longer help the business acquire and retain customers, but taking a personal interest in the resolution of their customers' issues will do this. Since this personal connection will help the customer achieve a sense of belongingness with the business, and there will be then a higher likelihood of them returning again and again. Yes, let's quickly summarize what we have understood. Voice analytic is used in various fields such as call center, healthcare, military, financial markets, etc. It is one step ahead and it is better able to produce a complete picture of the business environment. Organizations are currently using various analytical methods like text analytics and sentiment analytics that take input data from various social media in order to understand about the customer. Let's give some work to our brain. Hope you will find answers for this. Thank you.